What's up, guys? This is Firewings Gaming, and yeah, let's play some more Grand Theft Auto. Look at my truck. We're going to this blue guy on the map. I think you guys can't see it, but he's right here. Walking back and forth. Oh, he took my... I killed this guy last time.
How you doing?
Because he ran away from me.
Okay. Nice. That's real nice.
Let's just skip this dialogue, please.
We need a vehicle, amigo.
Oh, let's turn off the radio. Look, you got a door.
Take me over to Masterson Street.
Our driving was perfect, but that stupid dude just guarded my door.
Funny guy. Something your eyes will never believe. The ninth wonder of the modern world, my friend. Ooh, the suspense is killing me. You're about to see the biggest rock and crack known to man. This thing is meant to be so fucking big, it has its own gravitational pull. No fucking shit. I reckon every rock and crack has a gravitational.
Why would I go all the way around?
Wait here while I make the deal, dude. Let's hope this thing isn't too heavy for me to carry by myself. Sick.
Yo, Mr. Bankerman, this is a real sound investment you're making. Good use of your assets and shit. Most deaf.
The dude just put it in his pocket, and he said, "Hope it's not too heavy to carry by
Dude,
myself."
take me over to Wappinger and Hardin.
Oh. I think I have to shoot this. I don't know. I haven't played this in a while.
You negotiate a good deal on that thing? Fuck yeah, I invested my whole severance pay in this baby. Worth every fucking penny. You could chisel off a bit of this every day for a month and it would...
It will what?
This your place? Yeah, sort of. No, it doesn't matter. Here's some dollars. Appreciate the ride.
Dude had a shut off and I don't got my glasses on. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. I bought glasses. Cool looking glasses though. I need to go spray it. Ooh. Ooh, totally didn't mean to do that, guys. Okay. Can you guys see? I hope you do. Good. Okay. Oh yeah, paint spray. Right there. Please make a U-turn
We're safe.
when safe. I thought you said we're safe.
Not cool, sorry.
Please chasing after me. But they're not gonna see me into this place. Haha, they're not gonna see me. Whatever. I heard that you can customize your car in Brucey's garage. I mean, like, I never tried it before.
You have arrived.
Hold on. Never gonna see me here.
Suspect last seen in a black SUV.
It's not black anymore. It is black and white. Oh, you can like put this in the garage, Brucey's garage, and make it like have super big wheels. It's pretty epic. Where are we going to? Foston's place? Mr. Foston. Okay. Oh, and you can only customize your, like, change your color of your car if you get chased by the police. Yeah. If you're not getting chased by the police, your car just gets fixed. It doesn't get sprayed. It just gets fixed, I think.
Yeah.
No, nobody hit my car, please. Ooh. Thank goodness you don't have to pay to get in here. That'll just be a drag. Ooh. Okay. Okay, and here we are.
You have arrived.
I don't like that it's always a police helicopter floating right above us. Where is it? I heard it. Ooh, look at the moon. It's big as my head. I don't see the helicopter anymore. Oh yeah, I always like to jump up there. So yeah. No love lost. Oh yeah, this is the motorcycle one. Man, I'm gonna lose my Banshee. I mean, not my Banshee.
Please.
My
remain
Rancher.
safe.
Oh man. I'm gonna lose this thing. I put money on this thing. Because I'm gonna have to get on a freaking motorcycle. Oh. Last time I had to retry this over and over 3 times because I kept on crashing with the motorcycle.
Yards.
And I kept on losing. One time I had to meet up with his whole gang because I didn't kill him one time. But all you have to do is like run into the motorcycle guy and then he like fly right off and die. I think. Pretty sure.
You have arrived.
Hold on. What? What? It's 2. Look at that. Oh, that was the same as that car I had. SUV I had.
Am I property?
I'm the property of the last now. Oh, how do I get on this motorcycle? Chase him down. Oh, crap. I should put my helmet on. But the steer is pretty good. Woo! He's still gonna make a sharp right. Oh crap. Oh crap. Get on the motorcycle. Get on the motorcycle. Get on the freaking motorcycle. Okay, he's just over there. He's right up there. I messed this up. Oh, okay. He's right there. He's about to get up on his motorcycle going. No. I do not want to miss my all the line. Oh crap. That's out. I do not want to meet his whole gang. I think I was. Oh, this dude made a mess of cars. No, I would have been screwed up if he didn't take that. I catch up with this guy. Oh man, I lost him. I know I lost him. Oh, go. Oh, he's right there. I can see him. I see him.
Hey, let's mess this commie asshole up. You fuck with me, you fuck with all the lot.
Get off the bike. Let me take out these guys. They still.
Let God sort them out. Take cover. Don't kill me.
I will kill you. Mess with me. Shot yourself in the stomach. Take this guy. Okay, where are we? Oh, who said bingo? Huh? Who said bingo, huh? Who said bingo? You guys ain't gonna mess with me. I'm gonna take y'all guys out. You guys out. My shotgun. Where's my shotgun?
I'm coming for you.
Run, man. I got him in my sights. That's you, my name. You ain't getting out of this one. I'm coming to screw you. Stay down there. This biker says die.
Dude got back up.
Come on. You want me to finish you off?
Yeah. Took him down.
Fred.
Okay, hold on. Come on. Oh, gotta go up. Gotta scoot up. Oh. Oh, don't let this dude shoot me. Oh, this tree not thick enough. I'm gonna have to take him down myself. Woo! This dude not dead.
Stay down. Not to annoy me.
Just to make sure you guys are dead. Cause some of them get up when I eliminate them.
I killed the biker. I don't know how happy your daughter will be.
They don't care about happiness.
Look at that
They
look.
care about discipline and loyalty.
Let me take one of these. Yeah, it looks good. Instead of that other motorcycle. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Wait, hold on. So I guess we're going to Roman.
Calculating route.
Woo, you can't really wheelie with these things.
Please proceed to highlighted route.
I am. And plus my motorcycle disappeared, so. Oh, I want my Rancher back. You look nothing like my Rancher. Plus, I already have one of those. That's like cool, but I gotta like come on, get some air. Those things are all over the place now. Yes, I got some air. All the ones sound the same, kind of. That was close. We're coming, Roman, whatever you want. Oh crap. They made me miss my turn.
Nico, Roman, let's go ball.
No, coming to you.
Sorry, man, I got shit to
I just hang up on the line. Stop calling. No, I'm actually gonna call the Rancher Ranch. Haha. Get it? Well, I'm gonna end the episode off here, guys, and see you later. Probably.